Alright, so I'm gonna start with removing any debris or grease or grime in the engine bay, and then work my way to underbody and remove any of that dirty stuff before I do any wire wheeling, sanding, or body work. So this is what the engine bay currently looks like. Some dust up there, a lot of oil leak here. More dust. Got this crusty old battery tray that's gonna have to come up. Some more oil leak. So this is what I'll be using to clean the underbody. We got cheap cloth here, disposable microfiber cloth, dish scrubbing pad, scraper, brushes with the different bristles, engine cleaner, degreaser, brake cleaner, pre-painting prep. So I'll probably mainly be using the engine cleaner and degreaser for the most part, and anything that stubborn I'll probably go to brake cleaner.